I've got an electric one. Oh my god.
Okay, now, yeah, everybody, I have a story to tell us. So let's gather here. Let's gather here. Let's gather here. So before I start my story, I tell you the story of my 3 minutes voting. 3 minutes. No, less than 2 minutes voting. 2 minutes. Which way again? Why? Man, I'll call this scooter. No, we are going through the front. We're going through the front. Now, this is the invitation to vote, right? I'm going through here. You guys can go home, but I'm going through here. Yeah. So what I'm saying in essence, guys, are we joining? Are we joining? Let's come. So in the UK election, what you needed was all you need was this, right? You need this, you get into the booth, which you guys saw me before in the first video, how I got into the polling booth. The only thing I needed to show was to show my driver's license. Yeah, this is my driver's license. Just show this driver's license, that's it. There is no PVC, there is nothing, absolutely nothing, absolutely. These are the two things you need. This is the documentation, a letter you got from the post saying you must bring a photo ID, blah, blah, blah. You see that? Written clearly, you must bring a photo ID, blah, 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 blah. Before now, there was no photo ID. Before now. But that is to tell you that it's a system that is built on constant improvement. There was an incident in Birmingham where people who did postal voting kind of tried rigging it. But the good thing was that every single person that was involved in it, every single person that was involved in that act was punished severely. After the punishment, they didn't stop there. New rules, new checks and balances were introduced. Now it takes less than 2 minutes, depending on the number of people there. But see, you come just like I came. I came in there at exactly 6:42. 6:42. And I left there 6:45. I came in, I showed them this. They asked me for my ID. I showed them this, and that was it. And I voted. Why am I drawing this comparison with Nigeria? I'm drawing this comparison with Nigeria because we have to change. Quote me, from the way people turned out in this election, write it down. I'm telling you guys, Labour Party in the United Kingdom will they will repeat the same thing Labour Party in Nigeria did in the last election. Pala blue, 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 pulaba. They will beat them blue, black, green. Blue, blue. That's what they're going to do. But guess what? In doing that, no one is dying. No one is going to die. No result will be rigged. This night, not tomorrow, this night, the result will be out. This night, oh, not tomorrow, this night. Our own. We finished the election. Close to 1 week later, INEC will get professors. Suddenly, professors of mathematics they do not know how to add 313 plus 13. They don't know how to do it. And they were not ashamed. Now everybody's feeling the heat. Professors who rigged for them in River State, rigged in all the states. Now they cannot buy bread for their children. Man, anyway, guys, for easy, for easy. When I say these things, I'm just walking. I came out with my little girl to go and vote. Eh? I said I must be in the UK to vote. Oh. That's what Ma says, okay, take run. Man, now the Kenyans are doing their own. Whenever we are ready, we go enter plane, come back, come join the street. I don't know if you people have forgotten. After the election, myself and Dr. Mo, for 3 weeks non-break, we led a protest in Abuja for 3 weeks non-stop. Come and join us. Many of us just sat down at home, keyboard warriors, wanted change to happen by force without getting involved in any way, shape, or form. Look at it. Just voted. Just now. Voted. Just voted. I can't believe it. In less than 3 minutes, voted. Went in there. They looked at my name, crossed my name with this. Looked at my ID. Oh, that's him. Gave me voting papers. I went in there. One line, one cross. I crossed it. And I voted the same party I voted in Nigeria. What is good for the goose is also good for the gander. That's why I say, those of you in America, because the Americans supported ballot blue, you must support Trump. Make all of us the Chris. Make we Chris. He must come and make America great again in his own terms. Guys, where are you joining me from? I hope you can hear me clear. And if you want to join me, I can. If you want to join me, I can make that happen. Hold on. I was calling on. I have to send a message to WhatsApp group. People who said they want to join me. Right? I hope you can hear me. I hope my mic is, buffering off these. What's it called again? The sound, the air that is coming. I'm walking. I'm doing exercise. Right? My daughter has already arrived home. So that's so it be. So people, in 2023, Nigerians all over the world left whatever they were doing across the globe, came home to vote, and they voted irrespective of whatever any of you says. out. Wow. Yeah. So people. Okay. Oh, wow. I don't see him now. I don't see him. Only this paper. And this. These two items. They would always suffer Nigerians. Nigerians, they will suffer Nigerians to go and get their PVCs. After getting their PVCs, they will suffer Nigerians that they will not even collect the PVCs, change of address, log on to the council where I pay my tax and make a change. That's all. That's all. People, I am at home with nature. Okay, Kukuma. See, I'm at home with nature. All we are begging for, all we are asking people is that we build our place, I beg. Make we build our place. Just make it be like this. Is it too much to ask? No, but they no go agree. They just want to chop money, steal money, chop money, steal money, chop money, steal money. For how long shall we continue like that, people? For how long? Now, question I dey ask, I no kill anybody. Now, question I dey ask, for how long shall we continue in this way? I just, na leg I use, go vote. Na leg I use, go vote. Just vote finish. I just dey walk down, go my house. Still walk just go my house. I dey inside my estate. Sir, one day, where I go get money. This kind of place, I go come buy house. Just buy house for this kind of place. Leave this Naija wahala. All of us we wonder because we know one good government make we for die. Have we? No, we can't do it. We have to continue the fight. The fight is actually for the new generation. The fight is for the next generation. The fight is analysis. Join me later in the day. When the result of the election, I will give my analysis. But I'm willing to bet for the Agbados, the convicts, the confused, the All Past Criminals Congress, All Past Criminals Congress, the All Promise, All Congress. Mhm. Yes. But hey, we'll never die now. James, is it? They join me from. Hmm? James, where are you joining me from? Anyway, guys, let me leave us. I will be. I will be coming back later to do the full analysis when the result is. But I'm willing to bet anyone that Labour Party is winning this election because that is how the people mobilize. Every single day, I get in the mail. People knock at my door. They come. The young Korean woman running for my constituency. Yes. So we have every reason to hold. We'll see you later.